What's up, everyone? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So, if you're wondering what's in the box, well, guys, I got some new headlights for the G35 Sedan. Not only did I get new headlights, but I got the whole new setup. So, if you're wondering what I mean by that, I got some new LED fog lights, got some new LED low beams, got some new LED turn signals. If you're wondering what size bulb you need for your G35 or your Infinity, I actually went to this site right here, carbulbguide.com, and you can type in your Infinity or look it up. And so since I have a 2006 Infinity Sedan, it gives me the specific bulb that I need. So for the D2S, I got some from Last Fit. I actually have a sponsorship with them, so in the description I will leave my my promotion code so you can get 10% off your purchase of any Last Fit product. So that came in handy because these right here are kind of pricey, but I've seen good reviews on them. So yeah, I got those. And then for the fog lights, as you can see, H4 and 9003 are gonna be for your fog lights. So I got some right here. The color that I got a lime green. So for everybody who responded to that post, I ended up getting lime green. And then I got some turn signals, some LED turn signals with the built-in cannabis in it, so that way it'll prevent from, hyper flashing. But yeah, like I said, I got a whole new setup. The reason why I got all this whole new setup, well, let me show y'all what I'm dealing with as far as the headlights that I have right now. So these are the Spec D projector lights for the sedan. They do come with the halo, but for the most part, the only thing that's worked on these headlights since I've gotten the vehicle is the daylight LED running light. I do like the way it looks, don't get me wrong, so I am gonna keep these and restore them and try to fix the wiring and fix all that. But for the most part, the reason why I wanted to get some new ones is because right now this is my visibility. You can tell how dim and low the bulbs are. You know that you have bad lighting when your turn signal is brighter than your actual high beam. And yes, that is my high beams. From the front, it does look bright as far as on camera, but as far as visibility on the road at night, it is horrible. Like it sucks. Not only that, but having these incandescent bulbs, they get very hot. So when I changed this one out the other day, I kind of burnt the housing. So that probably explains why the lights are not evenly leveled. But I did install some fog lights. So the fog lights, I was using them for, I was gonna use them for like show, just to give the car a different look. But I actually have been using them as, to light up the road because it's so dark with these headlights. So I'm ready to see how everything's gonna turn out and see how much brighter and clearer the road looks at night, being that I'm gonna get LEDs. So yeah, I just thought I'd show y'all the setup that I have right now. So yeah, as you saw, man, I am gonna need an upgrade, and so that's why I ended up just getting everything brand new. And then, like I said, the headlights that I have on the vehicle, I am gonna customize them and see what I can do as far as cleaning them up and restoring them. But yeah, I've been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Let me know what y'all think as far as the headlight. The reason why I got the black housing and the black trim, I guess you can say, is to complete like the whole setup that I have for my vehicle. If you've seen my car, I do have like a black matted mesh grille, and my 3-piece splitter is like a black. The side splitter is black. My diffuser is black. So I'm just trying to keep the whole setup with the black and blue, because being that my car is like a dark blue, I wanted to, keep the whole setup kind of looking clean. I don't want to get chrome. So yeah, that's why I did choose these. As far as the whole product, it came very secure and packaged well, so that's good. And I know once I remove this plastic, you'll be able to see the lens a lot better. But yeah, I'm gonna leave all the wiring for tomorrow, because I am gonna have to remove the bumper, the front bumper, and the grill and all that. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. But for the most part, I did want to just show y'all what the lights look like. So yeah, we'll see how everything turns out tomorrow. So guys, before I even install this headlight, I thought I would show you the easiest way and kind of like a step-by-step on how to install the ballast and the lights. If you are going to do this, I would recommend just taking off your old headlight and doing all the work like this, rather it being still attached to the vehicle. It might be a more difficult, being that you have to remove the tire to get access to the back of your headlight. So when it's accessible like this, it's a lot easier to work on everything, rather than it being all enclosed with the car and the tire and everything. I would just recommend taking off the whole headlight. So like I said, I have the headlight right here, so it's going to be a lot easier to do everything. So I'm going to prefab everything, get everything wired up and installed, and then the last thing I'll have to do once I install the new headlight is just plug it in right here, and everything should work properly. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the screws. So unfortunately, the headlights that are on the vehicle, they don't have these screws, so I had to get some screws and cut them to the length. These are going to be 832, so you don't want to get something too small. You don't want to strip the threading, so I got 832s, and I'll be able to secure the ballast. But yeah, let's open up my ballast and go from there. Alright guys, so once you have the wire fed through and you have everything connected, now comes the part where you have to secure this bulb. So as you can see, if you look closely, you'll have these little metal brackets that secure the light. You're going to want to pinch them together and it'll release it. So when you put the new bulb in, you're just going to repeat the steps, but just vice versa. You're going to pinch it and then snap it back in. The difficult part is getting the bulb in and trying to this little metal bracket, trying to fit it in between the side of the bulb and this little metal piece. Another thing is, as you can see right here where my finger's at, that's a little indentation. So on your new bulb, you're gonna also have that same indentation right here. So it's just gonna line up perfectly, just like that. Now the fun part is, like I said, getting these brackets to go around and securing the light. So you get it like that. You want to pinch the wire just like that, right? And then once you get it around, as you can see, I got it around the bulb, and then you're just gonna redo the steps that you did to take off the brackets. You're gonna squeeze them close. Let's see, there you go. So something like that. It's a little tedious process, but once you get the hang of it, everything fits perfectly. So the bulb is secure. I got everything ready to go as far as my low beam, and then this is just my ground, which I believe plugs in right here, right under the light. I don't know if you can tell. I believe there's like a little metal bracket, and this fits just perfectly in there. So, okay, now that I have that, I can install my fog lights, which is the same process, just vice versa. You're gonna pinch these two together, bring it down, and then you'll do the same thing. So let me get my fog light. Right here. And if you notice, you have one little slot, another slot, and another slot, like a triangle. So the same thing goes for there. Yeah, it's gonna go like this. So just like that, perfect, fits perfect. And then the same steps. You're gonna, with this little bracket, you're gonna come from the side, pinch them together, just like that. There you go, it's secure. And then with this, you're just gonna plug it in the back of your socket that comes like this. It's a 3-prong, so just easily plug and play, just like that. And then you're gonna put everything back together. So this one is getting a little difficult, but let me close this all up, and then we'll go from there. Plug it in, plug and play, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's as simple as it gets. Damn, what's up? It's all about that stance life. Look at that, I'm hitting the ground. What's up? What's up? No, I'm just playing. So the next step you're gonna do is, as you can tell, you're gonna disassemble the bumper, take it off, and then of course you're gonna have to take off the grill. That way you can get access to the 4 screws to remove your headlights. So right here, this one's already broken, so that one's no good, but my other 3 are gonna work out. So you got one right here, then you got one right here, and you got one on the side. So I'm pretty sure those 3 will be able to secure it. But the next part is I gotta take that apart right there, take off that harness, that way I can plug in my new headlights, and that should be it. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna put everything back together, and we're gonna see how it looks. So the way I see it, the best way to try to get access to this harness to try to take it apart is right here between your hood pin and your reservoir tank for the washer fluid. That's where I can get access. If anything, you can try to get it from the wheel, but yeah, right here. And then with your flathead, you're gonna want to push down right there, right on that little tab. They don't give you enough slack, but once you do that, that's all you need to do, and then this should just pop right out. There we go. That's the old one. Holy moly, told you it didn't have screws or nothing. But like I said, I'm gonna restore this headlight, get it nice and clean, try to get the halos to work, and alright everybody, so this pretty much concludes the video. I am very happy with the whole setup that I chose. The headlights look flawless. It was a little tedious because I had put everything back together, and then I had to adjust the lights a little bit. They were kind of off, but I was able to get it. Everything looks good. I like the setup that I have. The colors contrast perfectly. You know, the lime green with the white and the yellow fog lights. It looks good, so I'm going to stay with that. Like I said, I'm going to fix the other headlights that I have that were on the vehicle. I'm going to try to see what I can do, restore them, get those halos working, and, you know, see what I can do with it. But for the most part, I am going to be rocking with this new setup. And like I said, I'm very pleased with it. Sorry this was a long video. I didn't intend it to be that long, but there was so much that I wanted to show you. But yeah, if you made it this far, please put that thumbs up, share the video. And if you're a new subscriber, like always, man, appreciate the support. And if you haven't yet subscribed, because I know there's a lot out there who just watch the videos and don't subscribe, I see my stats. But go ahead and subscribe, man. I do got some new content coming out on the G35. So if you're a G35 fan, yeah, hit that subscription button, guys. But like always, man, y'all have a great day. It's your boy Giovanni. Peace.